Almost my entire family work for Waupaca. Still one of the better places to work. I took the route of joining the military, and then from there I came back and I worked a couple odd jobs here and there, and then finally I got brought in, and since then it's just, I don't know, there's just something about this place. I love what I do. There's nothing cooler than molten iron. When I was in melt production, I literally controlled the chemistry. I was making the iron that was literally getting poured into the parts that were going on brand new vehicles. Everyone's like, oh, it's so hot. I'm like, I don't care. It's hot, it's cool, it's liquid gold. It literally looks like that running down. The one thing my dad always told me, as long as you try, you can move departments, you can try something new. As long as you show up, you do what you're supposed to, you ask questions, and you put your best foot forward, you literally can keep moving up. I want my company to run, I want my department to run, and I want to try and make sure we can catch something before it happens. And that's just taking pride in your work and what you do. We don't have a lot of people interested in trades anymore. And the one thing I have learned is that when you explain it to people, break down the pros, the cons, and then the things that the company will do for you between benefits and insurance. I mean, they just keep adding things that make it a better workplace. It means a lot to me. I mean, I take pride in everything I do. And if you take pride in what you do, you're always going to do your best at it.